icon to be the first to see the latest video.
Hello everyone, this is Anuj Sethi and welcome back to another video by AMS Group of Institutes. Now today's video is a continuation of the series of videos that is valuation of goodwill. In today's video, we will be talking about the capitalization methods. So all those people who are new, kindly hit the subscription button and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we come up with another video. So let's get on with today's topic, that is valuation of goodwill using capitalization method. As you guys can see, capitalization method has two methods. First is capitalization of the average profits and the second one is capitalization of the super profits. Now first we will see the first method, that is capitalization of average profits. So let's move to the formulas. Here you can see how will you calculate goodwill. It will be the capitalized average profits minus the capital employed. Now in the previous video we have seen that capital employed can be also said the net assets of the company. Now how to calculate that we've already seen in the previous video. If you have missed that video, I would suggest you to go back and look at that video. So moving forward, how will you calculate the capitalized average profits? It's simple. The average profits which we will calculate into 100 divided by the NRR. Now what is NRR? NRR is the normal rate of return which the overall industry earns. Now moving forward, what will be the capital employed? It will be the total assets excluding the goodwill, mind you. We do not include the goodwill in the total assets minus the liabilities. That will give you the capital employed. So let's take an example. We have an example and we will discuss the first method, that is valuation of goodwill using capitalization of average profits. So the average profits have been given over here 2 lakh. If they are not given, you will be given the information. So we will be able to calculate the average profits. We have already covered this part in the previous video. The NRR is 10% and the net assets are given as 15 lakh rupees. Now net assets, what are net assets? This is another name for capital employed. So we already have the capital employed information. Now the only thing which we want is the capitalization of average profits. So what was the formula? It was the average profits into 100 divided by the NRR. In this case the average profits were 2 lakhs. So 2 lakh rupees into 100 divided by the NRR. Now the NRR was 10%, so just 10. So the capitalized average profits will be rupees 20 lakhs. Now we already know the capital employed, that is the net assets, so we can directly move towards calculation of the goodwill, that is capitalized average profits minus the capital employed. So this will be 20 lakh rupees minus the capital employed of 15 lakhs. So here we can see that the goodwill will now come out to rupees 5 lakhs. So this is how you will calculate the goodwill of a partnership firm using capitalization of average profits method. Now we are not done with the video yet. We have to move to the second one, that is capitalization using super profits method. Now what was the formulas? Let's go to the formulas. Goodwill can simply be calculated as super profits into 100 upon NRR. It is just a one step question, but you have to calculate the super profits. Now what was the formula for super profits? Let's check. And no, I'm not showing you the watch, okay? It's a series 4 by the way. So super profits were normal profits and the average profits. We have to subtract the two. The average profits of our company minus the normal profits of the overall industry. We have already learned how to calculate this in the previous video. If you have missed that video, then I would suggest you to go to the channel and watch the video again. So the normal profits will be the capital employed, which we have already learned how to calculate, into the NRR, which will be given. So let's again move to the question to see how to calculate goodwill using capitalization of super profits. So here we are, the capital employed is 50 lakhs, the NRR is 10%, and here you have been given the profits of the past 5 years. You have not been given the average profits. So firstly we will have to calculate the average profits of the firm. So what was the formula for average profits? Simple, the total of profits divided by the number of years. So let's first calculate the total of the profits. Okay, 6 plus 5 it is 11 and a half, plus 7 and a half it will be 19, plus 8 and a half 27 and a half, plus 6 and a half, so it will be 34 lakhs. So the total profits are 34 lakhs, the number of years is 5. So now we can calculate the average profits. It will be 34 lakhs divided by the number of years, that is 5. So this will be around 6,80,000. So now we have the average profits. Let's calculate the normal profits of the overall industry. How will you calculate that? The capital employed into the NRR. Now what was the capital employed? Again, not showing you the watch. It was 50 lakh rupees into 10%. 50 lakhs into the NRR, that is 10%. So this will come out to rupees 5 lakhs. So now we have the average profits, which is here, that is 6,80,000. We have the normal profits which the industry has earned, that is 5 lakh rupees. So we can calculate the super profits. It will be the average profits minus the normal profits of that industry. So it will be 6,80,000 minus 5 lakh rupees. So this will be our answer, that is 1,80,000. Now the question is not over yet. This is just the super profits. We will have to calculate the goodwill as well. And the goodwill will be the super profits into 100 divided by the NRR. So this will be 1,80,000, which we have calculated above, into 100 divided by the NRR, which was 10%. So the goodwill of the firm will be 18 lakh rupees. So this is how you will calculate the goodwill of a firm using capitalization of super profits method. So this is it for the capitalization part. Now if you guys found this video to be useful, then please give it a thumbs up and forward this link to your peers. If you want us to make another video on any other topic, then please use the comment section below. We have also started online classes for science as well as for commerce field. So anyone who is interested can get in touch with us by emailing us at amsgroupofinstitutes@gmail.com. So please share this video, like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. And as always, happy learning.